Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to create a new user account in Windows 10. Whether you want to add a family member, a guest, or a secondary account, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. Method 1, using Windows settings, recommended for most users. 1. Open Windows settings. Press Win-I on your keyboard to open settings. Click on Accounts. 2. Go to Family and Other Users. In the left menu, select Family and Other Users. Under Other Users, click Add someone else to this PC. 3. Choose Account Type. If you have a Microsoft account, enter the email and follow the instructions. If you want a local account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information, then add a user without a Microsoft account. 4. Set up the account. Enter a username and password, or leave the password blank for no password. Click Next and Finish to create the account. Method 2, using Command Prompt for advanced users. 1. Open Command Prompt as admin. Press Win-S, type cmad, and select Run as Administrator. 2. Create a new user. Type the following command and press Enter. Plain text net user, new username, password, /add. Replace new username with the username you want and password with a secure password. 3. Assign administrator rights optional. If you want to make the user an admin, enter plaintext net local group administrator's new username /add. Close command, and the account is now ready, switching between users. Click on the new user and sign in. And that's how you set up a new user account in Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know what topic you want next. See you in the next one.